Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your YouTube channel on an iPad. First, open a web browser like Safari or Chrome on your iPad and go to YouTube Studio. Once there, find the Settings gear icon, usually in the bottom left corner. Click on it, then select Channel from the options presented. Next, within the channel settings, you'll see several tabs. Choose the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down the page until you find the Remove YouTube Content link. Clicking this link will take you to a new page where you'll begin the process of either hiding or permanently deleting your channel. On the new page, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account password for security verification. After successfully logging in, you'll be given two choices: hide your content or permanently delete it. Select Permanently Delete My Content. Then, check the boxes to confirm you understand what will be removed. Finally, click the Delete My Content button to complete the process. Be aware that this action is irreversible and will remove all videos, comments, messages, and playlists. The deletion process usually takes a few minutes, but it can sometimes take up to a few days for all content to be completely gone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.